Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to move your Bitcoin from Bitrue to Robinhood in 2025, you're in the right place. This process has gotten even smoother with updated interfaces and security features, but always double check for any platform-specific changes. Let's dive in step by step so you can handle this with confidence. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Bitrue account. Head over to the Wallet or Assets section and select Bitcoin from your holdings. Now, find the Withdraw button. It's usually right there on the main dashboard or under a menu for withdrawals. Next, you'll need to enter the withdrawal details. This is crucial. Copy your Robinhood Bitcoin wallet address accurately. Robinhood provides this in their app or website under the crypto section. Double check it to avoid any lost funds. Select the Bitcoin network, like BTC, and enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees, so factor those in to ensure you're not sending more than you intend. Before you proceed, Bitrue will prompt you for two-factor authentication, 2FA. Enable it if you haven't already. It's a must for security in 2025's crypto world. Once verified, review the transaction summary, including fees and the recipient address, then hit confirm. Your withdrawal request will be processed, and it might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. On the Robinhood side, keep an eye on your account. Once the Bitcoin arrives, you'll see it reflected in your balance. If it doesn't show up, check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like blockchain.com using the TXID from Bitrue. A quick tip: always use the correct network. Don't mix up Bitcoin with other chains like BNB or ETH. And for extra safety, consider using a hardware wallet for larger amounts. That's it for the guide. By following these steps, you'll have your Bitcoin transferred hassle-free. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.